St. Pio Tile Center. Introducing to you our very own brand, Westgate. This item is called Reba Turkeys. 30 by 30 in size, 2 by 2 in chips. One box consists of 22 pieces, kilogram equivalent to 23 kilos. One box consists of 22 pieces, which is equivalent to 2.6 square meter.
Thank you, Ms. Carr. Here we are now in our Pasig branch of St. Pio Tile Center and introducing our weekly promo for the Reba Turkeys. It's now buy one,
Get one for only $199.
Okay, so what are you waiting for? Come and visit our branches in Cainta, San Mateo, Taytay, of course here Pasig, and soon to open in Batangas. So come and visit us and avail of this wonderful weekly promo. So
You can also search us on Facebook or Google. Once you search St. Pio Tile Center, just add its location like St. Pio Tile Center, Cainta, or Taytay, San Mateo, and Pasig. You can also message us through Viber and Messenger. We put our contact details with our posts on Facebook. And also, our duration of our promo is until
August 30.
August 30. Duration of our promo is until August 31.
Okay.
If it's Westgate brand, we have here at St. Pio Tile Center.
Yes. Buying at St. Pio Tile Center is simply sharing. So hurry and visit us now to avail of this very beautiful like us. Thank you so much po. Maraming
Bunch of
maraming
stock.
salamat po.
Avail now for more discount.
Yes, for 1,000 and above, we can give it for free delivery.
Wow.
Wow, so
Free delivery for 1,000 pieces above purchase. San ka pa? Sa St. Pio Tile Center ka na.
yes.
Maraming salamat.
Opo. Thank you so much po. Maraming salamat po for trusting St. Pio Tile Center. We serve from our heart, so hurry, visit us now. Thank you.